When you confront an issue, you or your community don't need to do the work alone.
When I called the mayor's office, Mayor Screen's office, couldn't get through. We formed a little group, an organization. I said, this is Mary Lee Orr with Mothers Against Air Pollution. Can I speak to the mayor? They said, hold on just a minute, we'll let you through. So I learned the power of unity.
If you decide to confront an issue, the first time you meet as a group is very important. Community organizer Cheryl Slavant stresses the following.
A good first meeting that's organized, where officers are elected, and you look at everything, everyone comes into agreement, sets the tone for success.
Charles Allen has helped make the Holy Cross Neighborhood Association and the Lower Ninth Ward one of Louisiana's best examples of how neighborhoods can come together to strengthen their community. Following Hurricane Katrina, they made their organization stronger than it ever was before by working together to rebuild in a better, greener way.
A number of nonprofit groups, churches, people power have carried us pretty far that, you know, we now are nationally seen as maybe the greenest little neighborhood in America. You know, okay, that's something to celebrate, okay?
Creating a group does not have to be formal, but having officers and subcommittees is a tried and true technique.
Yeah, we've got a pretty much a set agenda, meeting to meeting, you know. Each of the committees have an opportunity to report, and everybody kind of reports and acts in that spirit of, I've got 3 to 5 minutes and then I need to shut up, okay? Give me the facts, not all the other extraneous details, you know, that I don't need to know.
Environmentalists throughout Louisiana have learned that working in groups is more effective than as individuals because an existing group may already have resources or expertise to help with your issue. Regardless of who you work with, a sense of humor is really valuable.
There is humor, okay? When we come together here in this church for our neighborhood meetings, we have a spot on our agenda where we ask, who has a good joke tonight, okay? Because the mood in here at times can be, you know, stiff and heavy as we just talk about the various issues. And I can't deal with such a meeting and such a process for too long. We need some humor in here.
Here's a final tip that Charles's group uses to stay healthy for the long term.
Recognize what your positives are or what your successes are. As you recognize those successes, celebrate them. So you give yourself some hope, okay? We give ourselves hope. We push ourselves along even further.
After spending time with Charles and other environmental groups in Louisiana, it became clear that anything is possible when people work together. Like fighting a landfill in New Orleans East, or challenging a large refinery in St. Bernard Parish, or keeping a river clean on the North Shore, even protecting a community from air pollution in Norco. This is your Louisiana, your environment, and it's your right to organize and have your voice heard.